I think will be, or the next season that we're going to have is going to be a lot more. People will be a lot more comfortable, a lot more calmer, because they've seen it, they've been there, they've done that.
I
And,
think it'll. I mean, if you ask me as a player, I think it'll still be. I mean, you'll still have those nerves and all because you don't want to lose. There are lots of other pressures as well, and also in the team. Like let's say if you're in my place or if you're in Niharika's place, she would be feeling different because have to perform.
I think you're right, Rishabh. The nerves are always going to be there. There's always the pressure to perform on the stronger players in the team, and the difficulty is that they're always expected to win.
Yeah.
So which puts even undue
Yeah, I
pressure.
know, yeah.
See, they have the pressure of being a good player, and that they have to perform well.
Yeah.
But the third added pressure is they have to win. Performing well is not sufficient.
Exactly.
So there's that pressure to win.
Yeah, so I think
that's
every
what it's for.
season is a new adventure for each of the players.
Each
But
of
yeah,
them,
it
yeah.
should probably be better and the games will be much more crisp. And
That's true.
people will. I mean, I think after this league, everyone is practicing more and they want to be better than what they were yesterday.
Yes.
So I think it's a good thing for the pickleball community of Hyderabad, overall Telangana as well.
No, I think that's absolutely right, and it's meant to be like that. The idea is to foster that culture of seriousness too in the sport, because you see other states in the country, they're all spending a lot of time. The associations are spending time. There's training, formal training happening. Till today, one of the things that we speak about is there is no formal training center for pickleball in Hyderabad. Let's see what's happening.
Oh,
on the
I'm
other
actually
side.
curious.
Wow,
Looks
you
like
see that
Kirti Warriors is up 12-9.
is up 12-9 against the Termo Titans.
Oh, that's a crazy.
I
It'll be
think
a
that's
crazy upset.
That's
if
a
they
crazy
did
upset
it.
if that was to go through, because I think that would also send Terramore out of the an upset by Kirti here trying to get onto the scoreboard would I think also show the exit door
Yeah, it'll be interesting. I mean, I didn't see the math there, but I think
it'll be interesting.
I'll
Yeah.
just-
Yeah, we'll have to see the table to see where the standings are. Anyway, now the women's doubles has
It's
started. Preeti Reddy coming in with a very nice cross court forehand.
Yeah, she has crazy.
I had the opportunity to play with Preeti and Isha the other day when I was at Hop, and I found Preeti to be extremely good hitter of the ball, very consistent and very
Yes, she's a driver of the
driver
ball
of the ball.
on the forehands.
Yeah.
On the backhands, she is actually good, but she's little underconfident with her backhands from behind. She always tries to lob. I've seen her playing yesterday, but I think she should just go for it either ways.
Go for it. They have nothing to lose.
Correct.
I think just play a game as you would naturally play it. She's got a very good game from the back, and Ishita is pretty strong at the net. So
Yes, Terramore is on 12. Actually, yeah, if they lose that tie, it will be difficult for them to get in.
because of the game's difference.
Also, yeah.
Because of the game's difference. That's right.
But yeah, it will be an interesting match on the other side as well.
Yes.
It's 12-9 still.
there with the Titans on serve. Second serve for the Titans. It's going to be interesting though. What's going to happen there?
Yeah, Nandi is back here. Nandi, after losing 1 point, I think they're back. Oh, near miss.
There was a narrow miss for Preeti there. Try to slightly loop it. I think
Yesterday,
slightly low on the top spin on that ball.
yesterday's win from Nandi's women's was just amazing. They have possibly beaten the best doubles team of Starry Smashers. It was totally unexpected. I was watching the match. They were 5-10 down. I came back to our court and then I saw the score. They won 15-10.
Wow, that's a tremendous effort by
Yes.
Deepthi and Saiti.
The timeout. They took a timeout, so I was like, okay, I think it's over. The match is done. I don't think they can come back. And then again, I see on the screen, I see the score 15-10. A great win by them. I think the same momentum is carried forward today. They're up 6-1. They're actually doing a great job.
Deepthi and Saiti have also, I think, extremely done well in the league. They've improved over a period of time. Their practice and everything else.
Yes, their coordination.
Consistent,
Yeah, their coordination,
and they've been playing
communication.
continuously, right? That makes a lot of difference. If you're playing with the same partner, makes a lot of difference.
Yes, for
Just a
sure.
continued partnership helps you with that understanding and ability to trust and support each other during the games.
Yeah, you can actually leave a few balls by trusting your partner. Yeah, I feel you. If you see on the other side, the center court score is 12-11. It's close. Terramore on serve. They're coming back. The hopes of Kirti, the hopes of Terramore going out is almost coming back. A great retrieve.
You see,
great point.
serve has changed. It's broken.
Finally a
Kirti on
serve
serve
break.
now at 12-11.
They have to capitalize on this.
And
Trishan.
Oh, that's a pretty strong team. Right? Okay.
This match is just flying
They're
away.
coming
like
back
how
to the
first men
that
doubles,
we
yeah.
have. Yeah.
Nandi's
It's
on
pretty
fire.
one-sided
Yeah.
until now. We'll have to see what happens after the break.
Good serve, good return. Oh, that's a great shot. That's literally a singles forehand cross.
Singles one, yeah. I think Preeti was a bit indecisive there as to whether she should come to the front or play from the back.
Yeah, looked like she was hesitant on going front or staying back. The return which Ishita did, I think that return is really effective in doubles. You just put it back in the middle
and then that helps you give time. That gives you time also to come to the kitchen,
yeah,
to reset yourself, spend some time,
correct.
and then not rush into the ball. I think it's so important, Rishabh, and I think as people, as both of us who play regularly, it's so important to be so calm on the court. You can't really rush towards anything.
Yeah, there are two ways of it. You have to be calm during the play, but you have to be on fire whenever you win the point and try to put pressure on the opponents.
That's right. Yeah.
So that, because it's a quick game of like 15 minutes, it could be as fast as 10 minutes or it could be as long as 40. A great lob.
That's an
that's a near miss by
You see
Ishita.
let's go back to what's happening on court number 1. You see, it's 12-14. Very, very close game there. 12-14 on first serve.
Yeah.
Terramore serving. If Kirti was to pull this off, it would be one of the major upsets of this league on the last day of the round robin.
Yes. There are few interesting matches that side also, as Bhaskar and Vijay are going to play singles, and second doubles also by Bhaskar and his partner. Good point. On this court, it's
12-14 too there.
There's some miscommunication by the refs, and the referees are doing a great job.
I think kudos to the referees for
Yeah.
spending so many hours without,
Yeah, they're almost perfect.
6 to 7 hours.
Yes.
There's always scope for some human error.
For sure.
We'll have to understand that.
Yeah.
We'll have to give that. But I think by and large they have been spot on.
I agree.
We can't expect more.
Yes. And the way you guys are doing this tournament on the whole is just another level. We all used to play professional tennis, and the people from different sports, and we never had such a huge crowd ever. Even when we used to play nationals. Oh, on the other court it looks like it's 14 all.
It's 14 all.
Terramore
Yeah.
is coming back strong. 14 all 2. I think this break can change everything. That's it. Great exchange, great lob, and a miss.
Okay, so Deepthi on serve here. I'm sorry. It's okay, so it's 2-11 and the second serve for the Mavericks. Ishita serving.
A great finish by Ishita. Saidi gave
Very
her too
strong
much
at the
gap.
net, Ishita. Very strong in the net. Good hands. Ability to pick up balls which come quickly towards her. We have a lot of talent in Hyderabad. I hope we can hone it and that we can make good players who can compete at a national level.
Yeah, that's the aim. I think you guys already, with the start of the league, I think the first IPA Nationals, I think we got quite a few medals.
Yes.
I don't know exact number, but yeah.
16 medals totally, but I think
Yeah.
it was a very, very
Good start.
Good start.
Yeah, for sure.
I'm sure next year we'll be able to do much better
Yes.
with more participation.
Looks like Nandi Chargers are in a hurry to finish the game, but let's see. how it goes. Great exchange of overheads by Nandi Chacha and good pick by Ishita though. Twelve 3-2, I think.
Okay.
The Mavericks, as usual, are not leaving the match. They are fighting till the end. Good lob by Ishita and a great setup. I think she should have run in faster to put pressure on Nandi, but I think it's all part of the game.
Out.
A great finish by Preeti. What do you think, Pratap? Do you think Mavericks will come back from here? Will they be able to hold the momentum?
It looks quite difficult, Rishabh, until unless there is a.
Yes, you were right. They missed the serve.
They missed the serve.
Serve to Nandi. I think they should be able to finish it off. Like you said, I think Nandi is going to finish now. On the other side, a great game going on there. 14 match point to 1.
That's a lovely drive by
Strong
Saiti to
finish
finish
by
off the
Saiti.
game. Lovely drive, you see. Keeping low, bending her knees.